Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back. Gabagoo Barbecue. You're looking at a empty Weber 26 lined up with the slow and sear with some big red block chunk. And that little guy there are these guys. Jealous Devil Boom fire starters. I was in Home Depot last week going down the barbecue aisle and this caught my eye because they look like cherry bombs. But they're fire starters for grills and whatnot. So gonna check it out today. So gonna light it up, see how well they work. It's something I don't normally use, but again, remind me of fireworks, and I do enjoy my fireworks. So every barbecue is bomb with boom. All right, guys. So anyways, gonna test these out, and we'll see how they start up. Cool. Let's light it up. See what this is all about. Cool. It's like a birthday bomb. Birthday candle is about to explode. Let's help it out. Get my big fat hand out of there. There. So basically gonna see how fast it starts up this lump. I think I called it the right charcoal. It's the Kamado big red block, whatever. And then I'm gonna do a rack of spare ribs. That's what I'm going to do today. But this video is just all about these little Jealous Devil fire starters. I am a fan of all of the Jealous Devil product that I've used so far. Their briquettes, their lump. So thought this would probably be pretty good. So we'll check it out. All right, be back once it gets going. All right, guys, well, that's still going. This is like 2 minutes later. That's where it's at. Seems like the whole thing would catch fire, the whole fire bomb, whatever. So I'm just gonna open it up. I think I paid $8 for this. Let me get this out of here. I'll show you what you get. Hang on. All right, that's what they look like. Smoke bombs, cherry bombs, but it's a box of 8, about $1 each, I think. So whatever, you know, if you guys use these types of things for lighting your charcoal, seems to work pretty well. You could see that, just the whole thing catches. So anyways, there you go. Lights up pretty quick, puts off a big flame. So I'm counting on this. I'll start my charcoal up pretty quick here. So I'm gonna get this grill ready for the ribs later. All right, guys, this is at the 10-minute mark. That's what it looks like. Pretty good, because this is pretty dense lump coal. So I imagine if it was briquette, something more standard and lighter, it would be a lot more lit up than this, but I'm pretty happy. So Gabagoo approved, man. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Later.